Hello my super babies. Today I am here with my natural hair. This is my natural hair. When you see my hair super straight with curls and all that, obviously it's with the machine. I straightened my hair in the front. Right now this is my natural hair. And yeah, don't get scared, but I had to show you babies the result of the mask which I'm going to share with you, like on my natural hair without any heat used on my hair. This hair is without any heat, it's dried by itself, and I'm really happy to show you babies because it's nice and thick. It's not the best looking because my hair is super curly and I brushed it, so it's like really thick and voluminous. And this hair mask is my favorite from quite some time. I am not sure if I've shared this in the past actually, but it's really good. This hair mask is full of benefits. It's really good to stop hair fall super fast. Go ahead and see how to make it and how I apply it.
So we need a tablespoon of pure coconut oil. If you make it at home, nothing like it. The results are way better than whatever coconut oil you get at the market. So if you make it at home, babies, you will see amazing results. So you just need a tablespoon of pure coconut oil, or you can add in more, depends on your need, and a tablespoon of hung curd. If you make that also at home, nothing like it, and 10 drops of lavender oil. Babies, lavender oil is amazing for the hair. Then you need about 5 drops of pure sandalwood oil. The combination of all these ingredients are magical for the hair, babies. Now if you don't want to put in sandalwood oil, that is still okay, but lavender oil is a must. Lavender oil just stops the hair fall super fast. I've seen like super results with lavender oil and coconut oil, and curd is just to enhance moisture into your hair, your scalp. It strengthens it basically. And yes, you have to apply this on your hair, especially concentrating on your scalp, because it treats the scalp, babies. You will see a good difference with this hair mask without fail.
It is 100% effective. It keeps your scalp super healthy. It is amazing.
So start by applying on your scalp, coat it completely.
A lot goes into hair fall actually, from your sleep issues, from anxiety issues, from your hormonal imbalances, your vitamin D deficiency, even B12 deficiency to some extent. So there's a lot of issues which goes into hair fall. If all that is like super good, then this mask works superbly. But otherwise also it will work if all these issues do not go well with you. So even if you sleep well, babies, you will see a lot of difference on your skin, hair and health. By the way, all the ingredients mentioned in this hair mask are amazingly super good. So I just hope it helps each one of us. It is very good to reduce hair fall. It is super good to promote faster hair growth. It is super miraculous to reduce dandruff. It keeps your scalp super healthy. And yes, this mask is just super good with easily available ingredients for most of us. Otherwise, some ingredients you might have to buy. But yes, if you make the way I have shown you, babies, nothing like it.
So massage as much as you can, because massage is the key. It will promote faster blood circulation, which will promote faster hair growth and even help in healing the scalp. So yes, massage as much as you can and keep it on your hair for 30 minutes. You can of course increase the quantity and apply it on your whole hair for super soft hair, tangle free hair. So yes, you can do that too. This quantity is enough for my scalp and my whole hair too. You can wash it off with your regular shampoo and conditioner, and you will see amazing results, baby, in just one application. Seriously.
So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit a like and make my day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on that bell so that you get notified. If your hair is so curly like mine and still it is tangle free like this, then the mask is super good. Just look at my hair, guys. I know I might be scaring many of you with today's look, but yes, I can't help. See you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.